Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a round dining set for you, a six-seater dining set. When we are looking for a dining set, we have to decide on a few things. How many seats do we require? Are we looking for a rectangular, a square, or a round dining? And what type? It could be the color, size, design. All these things put together, we decide on a dining design. The designs are too many, and this is one of them, a round dining. I'll show you the dining first. And round dinings generally are in a pillar shape. If you see the bottom, it has got a pillar underneath. And here we have a complete set with the glasses right on top of it. The client wanted, we have created it, is going nearby. So we have provided the glass. Generally, we don't provide fragile items. And we have got six chairs with double carving. The carving that you see on the front, similarly, we have got carving at the back of the unit, and this gives the unit a different look altogether because dining has a visibility from all the sides. So back carving is really good in a dining table. Now about the color, I'll also mention here the entire unit is in teak wood and the color is a little rustic gold highlighted and walnut, very light walnut finished as per the client's requirement. Now these colors along with the fabric color, everything that you're looking in this unit, the size, design, color, everything is customizable including the fabric, and you can let us know what type, what design you're looking for. Accordingly, we'll provide you the options. In the color, you can go for natural finish, just like the wood finish, gloss, matte, or it could be semi-gloss, just like this one. Or you can go for colors, Duco colors like paint, gold, silver, and rose gold, white, off-white, and highlighting, triple shade, dual shade, gold leafing, silver leafing, champagne leafing. Everything we are doing here and sending across the globe. Across the globe to more than 55 countries we have already delivered, and every part of India we have already covered. Thousands of items we have delivered across the globe that are listed in the testimonial section on our website, and you can see how much stuff we have already made, how many happy clients we have who have got the stuff delivered to their homes safely, and they are happy, took the pictures, sent it back to us, and we are proudly displaying these pictures on our website. Not just that, this is a ready reference for you if you're looking for some ideas which color will suit with what interiors, like your flooring has got some particular texture, your walls or wallpapers or ceiling, or the internal design, the interior design is different, and you're looking for ideas how this would match with this particular color. You can get ready reference in this testimonial section. So do check this. You will find a lot of ideas there. Round dining, square dining, rectangular dining, oval shape, any design you're looking for, we have hundreds of design, and there are many designs on the internet from Turkey, from Egypt, Italy, and several other places, Middle East, and you can provide that to us, and we will make that for you in solid teak wood artistic patterns as per size, design, color of your choice, fabric of your choice, and at factory price. Factory price means best price, the price from factory to your place, direct delivery, no commissions, no trader agents in the middle, no extra charges, best price from the house of Aarsun and the brand of Aarsun. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.